loading ramps and ramp extensions. A few options here for you to choose from. So we have our most popular product, the standard Easy Leader extension ramp. 81 centimeters long, 35 centimeters wide, gives you a 3-inch lift, improves your loading angle by extending the overall length of your ramp. The longer version for extra low cars, 1.5 meters long, again 35 centimeters wide. This one gives you a 5-inch lift. We have our popular 7-foot aluminium ramps, only 17 kilograms each. This is showing you how it sits on the ramp extension, nice and easy, just sits straight on top. Again, 35 centimeters wide, and our punched steel galvanized ramp. All of these products are available online or in store. Just give us a call on 07846 811 200 or visit our website www.ezze-tipp.co.uk. The link down below.